knowledge. Educational rights. Education is important for people of well-organized. Education improves knowledge, skills, values, and the quality of one's life. It also helps in overall development of a country. Importance of education. Education helps to analyze the reason, build skills to live, know what is right and wrong, lead a moral life. Thank you. Gurukula. Gurukulam is the system of education that was practiced in ancient India. Guru and the Shishya lived in ashram. Thank you. Educational rights. Every child has right to have free and compulsory education. Right to Education Act 2009 describes the importance of free and compulsory education for children between 6 to 14 years of age. Education should be affordable to the common people. There should be no discrimination in education. Educational rights. Sarva Shishya Abhiyan. Sarva Shishya Abhiyan was launched in the year 2001, increasing the enrollment in primary schools, free and compulsory education for children up to age 40, improving the quality of education. Thank you. K. Kamaraj. Peruthalaivar K. Kamaraj birth anniversary 15th of July is celebrated as Educational Development Day. Free midday meal program which was implemented by the former Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu K. Kamaraj. Child labor. Child labor is not allowed in our country. All children are entitled to have free and compulsory education. Essential of education. Education is very important for every individual. Every child has right to have free and compulsory education. Education should be affordable to the common people. The Right to Education Act 2009 describes the importance of free and compulsory education for the children between 6 to 14 years of age. Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan was launched in the year 2001. Thank you to all. முழுவதும் இங்கே அங்கே பறந்தன. பறவைகள் மலை முழுவதும் இங்கே அங்கே பறந்தன. எலி கொஞ்சம் அந்த ரகசியம், எலி கொஞ்சம் அந்த ரகசியம், இது தெய்வம் தந்த அதிசயம், இது தெய்வம் தந்த